Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now today I'm going to be making a recipe that I haven't shown you before, and that recipe is Cajun Dirty Rice. So what do we need? We need some rice, and I'm just using a pouch of rice, okay, that I'm going to preheat. Anyway, you'll see all that. Then you will need, now for four people, you will need 500 grams of minced beef. Let's move you. 500 grams of minced beef, 4 rashers of bacon that are cut, 2 celery stalks that are chopped, an onion that you've chopped, and two peppers that you've chopped, and 2 cloves of garlic that you've chopped, okay? And then you'll need, to finish, you'll need some coriander, no thank you, or parsley, so I'll be using parsley. You will also need some taco seasoning, and I've got my homemade taco seasoning just there. So, and some oil to start the frying, and that's it. Dead simple, doesn't get much easier than this. So let's get right then. Let's start. I've got my pan heating, and I'm going to just add a little oil to the pan, and this, as you know, or as you should know, is my avocado oil. So my pan is hot, I know that. So I'm going to try and go in with the onions to start. And we're going to fry those off for a couple of minutes. And this other pan that's on here, Steve's having a spaghetti bolognese, so that is obviously for the spaghetti. Right, so we are just frying onions. There's just something so delicious about that smell, isn't there? So I'm just going to let those cook for a couple of minutes before we add anything else. Now I'm going to go in with my celery and my garlic. And again, just for a couple of minutes before anything else is put in. Right, now we're going to go in with our mince and our bacon. And in total, this will take about 20 minutes to cook. So, I mean, it's not bad, is it? The 20-minute meal when you come in. Okay, add your chopping time, another 5 minutes, 25 minutes, and you can have a really nice tasty meal on the table. Right, I'm going to put Steve's spaghetti in now. His will be ready before mine, but not the end of the world. I've got heavily salted boiling water here, and in with my spaghetti. What we're doing here is we're trying to get our minced beef brown, so I'm going to go up with the temperature again. Right, for you would use 3 teaspoons of beef seasoning, but since it's only me, it's only for one, I'm just going to use probably 1 and a bit. There we go. I also neglected to say that when we finish this, we finish it with Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce. Oh, you can smell that seasoning, delicious. And now we're going to go in with our peppers. just going to add just a splash of water. Water from the kettle. And now I leave that alone and I'm going to let it cook with the lid on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Definitely go the whole 15 minutes if you're cooking for 4. But there's more room in this pan as I'm only cooking for 1. So we'll let that cook down and be back in a while. Right, our rice is cooked, so I'm going to add some to the pan, and I'm saying some because these rice pouches, they're brilliant, absolutely brilliant, but they are for 2 people. So I don't want 2 people's worth, do I? And I'm just stirring this through, breaking it up as I go because the pouch was too hot to handle. And we're going to leave that just melding together all the lovely Cajun flavours for another 2 minutes, I'm guessing. Right, now again, if it was 4 people, it would be 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce that you're adding in, and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, but I'm just adding a splash, quite a good splash of soy, because soy will give it a lot of flavour. And I'm just going to go in with a little of the chopped parsley, just to add, it does add a slight flavour, but it's more of a colour. And then we shall get it dished up and we'll see just how it tastes. Right then, we have our dish of Cajun dirty rice, and we need to give it a taste, don't we? So let's get in, what have I got on there? Beef, pepper, let's get some bacon and rice, and let's try this. You know, I was just going to say, oh, I could have got away with a bit more of the spicing, but that was enough. Not a lot of meat, but then you don't need huge amounts of meat, do we? We think we do, but we don't. This is perfect. And peppers, excuse me, have still got a slight bite, so that's good. Right, I'm going to go in there and eat the rest of this, but for now, thank you for watching this episode of In the Kitchen with Pen. If you've enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. Any comments, write them down below. Don't forget to ding that bell to get notified each time we put on a new video, and if you can, a hike would be lovely. I'll see you again on the next edition of, my throat's burning, no, In the Kitchen with Pen. Bye bye for now.